last week I had a case that alien was detained in the Mexico-California border because he tried to cross the border and but was arrested by the U.S. border control. Uh, he has passed the credible fear interview. He wanted to apply for the asylum in the United States. He went to the immigration court and asked for a bond, but the bond was kept being denied once, twice, and the third times. And after the third try failed, I was hired by the family. So I went to the court and found out that there was a lot of evidence against him. Somebody sent either a letter or some evidence to show that he committed murder outside of the United States. So I went to the court, asked for a bond hearing. At the hearing, I used the Sixth Amendment confrontation clause to protect my client. I said, who wrote the letter? Who said my client was a murderer outside of the United States? Who had the evidence? That's all hearsay. And without a confrontation with the witness, my client should be an innocent man. So I asked the judge to subpoena the writer of the letter, and even the ICE officer who put the notes saying that my client murdered somebody outside the United States without any evidence or with all hearsay, and that's the violation of the Sixth Amendment confrontation clause to put my client in a bad position that he's a bad guy, he's a flight risk, or at least he's a threat to the community security, and he could kill somebody after he's released. As a matter of fact, my client was a nice man. He is innocent before proven guilty. So eventually the judge set the bond for $30,000. He was released. He's a professional, and he came to the United States to try to seek the freedom. And in the end, we have the victory. I think the U.S. is a great country because of the rule of law. It's not a rule of the people, or rule of the hearsay, or rule of the rumor. So if you have your legal rights being violated by anybody, please call us. This is Xiaosheng Huang. I'm practicing law in the United States, immigration law in the United States nationwide for over 20 years. My office number is 702-451-2195. Thank you. Or you can Google me, Xiaosheng Huang, on the internet. Have a good day.